Hello, this is John with Modern Exterior. I am here in Merton, Wisconsin. Today I'm going to be talking about the differences and the benefits of ridge venting versus a traditional slant back vent. So this house is a perfect example because it actually has both types of vents on it. You have two slant backs on this section of the split level, whereas this section has a ridge vent. The ridge vent is very beneficial to have because it's more thorough ventilation. It runs across the full length of the ridge of the property versus a slant back where you can see you have two spots on the property where ventilation is occurring. That leads to dead spots. So if you can imagine the attic space in the center here or on the edges, there's going to be much less airflow going on through there versus this section of the property where the ventilation is going to be much more thorough. On top of that, there's much more likely to get ice damming and leaking because there are penetrations in this area of the home there that is not on that portion. Other issues that can occur is a lack of ventilation. So a lot of contractors don't actually do the full calculations they need for the proper amount of ventilation. 2 is not going to be enough for this attic space. Whereas with the ridge vent, it's much more likely for the contractor to just kind of guess and get the right enough amount of ventilation because they're doing the full ridge. Typically on homes, the full ridge is going to be enough for full ventilation, but you do want to ask your contractor for an NFA calculation to ensure they're getting enough ventilation. This is John. I'm signing off talking about the different types of ventilation, the benefits of ridge vent.